Magnetic suspended plant pot comes with an LED light feature for pedestal that makes it look very cool when turned on in the dark. It is a magnetic magical floating bonsai pot, floating in the air rotating 360 degrees automatically when the power is turned on. It is easy to install, easy to water, easy to maintenance. Not only conducive to the improvement of indoor environmental quality, but also the best regulator of physical and mental health. Can soften the hard line inside the building, to ease the anxiety, stabilize emotions, make people feel comfortable. It is perfect for small indoor bonsai or other small plants. This is perfect gift for home or office decor. It is an awesome high-tech gadget with enlightenment education that people of all ages will enjoy. Click on the link into the description and get the magnetic suspended plant pot for the best price on the market.